So check it out. I don't usually buy whole collections, but I did buy a small pre-war collection today, and in it were 3 Ives engines. 2 of them are in a little rough shape, but this one is complete. The only thing I found missing was there wasn't a headlight bracket in there, so I put a 19-volt LED in there instead. And a couple of other things that were in that collection. There was a couple of steeple cabs that I'm still trying to get to run. And also there was a Lionel 224E with it was a little freight set. And I got the that running good. I'll feature that later on. The whistle tender works really well in it. And there was a couple of Lionel Adriatics, I think they were 2036 with magnet traction. And the magnet traction is really strong in that one. It lifted the fast track right off the floor, getting it off of there. And I've got to put a headlight in that. And I think there was an MP15 switcher in there too, and a bunch of cars. So, and of course a bunch of track that nobody really wants, but for 150 bucks, I'm really happy. I got all the passenger cars to light. One of them I had to make a wiper pickup for to get it to work. And I think another one was missing the window insert, so I put some vellum in that one. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. I'm really happy to have it. I'm not going to run it for a long time because it looks like the motor brushes are pretty worn, and I don't know how I can get replacements. I'll have to see. But anyway, here we go. I believe these were made in 1929 to 1930. Runs pretty good for a vintage locomotive. So it has the flags and everything. It's really nice. I don't know what the value is for this set, but I'm sure it's a lot more than what I paid for it. And people are just looking to give it a good home, so. I think my little LED looks pretty good in it. And we'll pick up the camera and you can follow it around. And there's a little trailing light in the observation car that's pretty neat. So this is definitely the oldest train I have. I'm thinking one of the other Ives engines I can probably get to run, and then I'll use the last one for parts, or maybe sell it to somebody else for parts. I don't know. We'll add a little whistle. All right, I'm gonna bring it in. That is so cool. So glad to have one. Always like these pre-war stuff. So thanks again for watching, and I'll feature the other locomotives as I get them running good. So take care, God bless, never forget Jesus is Lord.